Yes, sir. Beautiful people. OtakuTeez, we here. It's right now. On the way to the airport. It's like 2:30 in the morning. The boys kind of tired a little bit, but not too much. So we're gonna get this adventure started. Take y'all along with us, and we're gonna get some crazy stuff for y'all, man. So yeah, OtakuTeez, much love. Let's roll. Yes. So made it to the long-term parking. You know what I'm saying? Spot out we lit. Man, this shit gonna be lovely, man. We're gonna get some crazy fire content for you boys, man. So make sure y'all check it out, man. OtakuTeez on YouTube. We got the merch on, man. OtakuTeez drip merch, man. Definitely we working on get some stuff out to you guys, man. So just bear with me while we work the details out, but we trying to find the best quality for you guys, you know, the best feel. So this is one of the first prototypes we got. I'll definitely let you guys know when there's an update on that. Alright, y'all, made it do TSA and everything. Yo, first time packing camera gear, I had to empty out like the whole bag, bro. I'm like, yo, this too? Like, yeah. Oh, I got this too? Yeah, that too. The whole joint. But man, we did it. We got through TSA. You know what I'm saying? Little unicorn Lily right there. Hey, back there, slow motion. Right here, man. That man, it's a blessing. It's a blessing to be here. Beautiful people. So we touched down, man. We made it to Vegas, man. Safe and sound. Flight was cool. You know what I'm saying? Everything was smooth. We staying in the Red Rock Casino 2-queen luxury room. Man, this room is nice. If you haven't already, make sure you check the room walkthrough tour. Make sure you check that video out too. So right now we about to head to the strip. Beautiful people, man. We back, man. Back in the room. Had a full day of travel today, man. All the way from home. Came out here to Vegas, Red Rock Casino, and Casino One Spot, should I say. What we do, we went to the strip, did a little walking. It was hot out there, but we got through it. We had a CocaCola, Hershey, M&M, you know. Got the in and out, you know, you gotta do in and out when you come to the West Coast, gotta do it. But yeah, man, it's just the end of day one. First day in Vegas, baby. Day two on the way. Much love. OtakuTeez out.